A student wanted to know the differences between the words hope and wish. In this video, I'll show you what the differences are. Sometimes the meanings of hope and wish are very subtle, but you'll notice the differences in how each word is used. I hope it goes away. This verb after hope is in the present tense. You could use the future because you are thinking about the future. I hope it will go away. But the word hope already implies the future. So it's not necessary to say will go. You can just use the present tense. I hope it goes away. I wish it would go away. After wish, using would and go implies some sort of present situation that might not be as likely as this. It's still possible, but perhaps a little bit unrealistic at the moment to believe that it will go away. He hopes it works. Here's the present tense, and then this is also the present tense for a present situation or a future situation. Here you could use will. He hopes it will work. Either one is okay. A lot of people will just use the present tense because the word hope implies a future outcome. He wishes it would work. This is in the present, and then using the modal verb would and work. He hopes it works. He wishes it would work. The difference is very subtle. The interest in something working is the same. Anybody who says this wants the same sort of outcome, that something works, that it will function or be okay. But this one is a little bit less optimistic than this one. This one sounds like there's a problem. And this one is more optimistic about the future. The words hope and wish are both used as verbs or as nouns. But the difference between them is that hope is often used for a situation that is realistic or it's possible something can happen. Whereas wish is often used for situations that are unrealistic or not likely. Both of these words are used when a person desires or wants a positive outcome. You want something good to happen when you're using hope or wish. Sometimes there's not that much of a difference